Okay, just going to do some soldering and some wire connections. I do a lot of wiring for these different gel blaster guns. They're kind of like airsofts. And I'm going to go ahead and just solder a couple connections before I heat shrink them. I just feel like that's the best way to do it. It's probably not 100% necessary since I'm shrinking them, but I just figure I might as well solder them too. So flip it to on, turn it on, let it heat up. I did just try it out, and it only takes probably about 10 seconds to get it going, and at most, and it got really hot, like to the point where I could just sit here and melt everything, right off of this without any issues. So let's check. So yeah, you can see there like how much it is already melting that, right? So I don't ever get my electric soldering gun to go this quickly, all right, or to do that well. So that's definitely very nice there. All right, so we'll go ahead, we'll turn it off, and then obviously you need to let it cool down here. Oh, excuse. Turn it off, let it cool down here, and then we'll go ahead and put the heat shrink on. So I'll just, while we're letting it cool, and let's put this in here. All right, as long as I can get it up past that. Probably should have used a little bigger size on the shrink tube, but that's okay. As long as the actual connection is covered, that's really what I'm mainly looking for. So this will work for the sake of this, and for this harness, it'll. All right, so this is still probably hot. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to see if I can twist this off without really touching it. And I can. Of course, be very careful if you're going to do any of that. All right, so now we can use the heat deflector. Turn it on, crank it up. You can see that right away. Crank down really nice, okay, and really fast. Wow, super fast. So I do have it turned up all the way. All right, so there you go. You see why this is the high performance model. Look how fast that was. Look how hot everything heats up, and how quickly and how well it works. So great little soldering iron here, butane powered from Berkling. This is again the Pro model, the BSG-668.